How to close a fifth third bank account. First of all, make sure you have withdrawn or transferred all your funds from your account to avoid any issues. Next, gather any checks, debit cards, or automatic payments linked to your fifth third bank account to avoid disruptions after closing. Then, contact Fifth Third Bank customer service by phone or visit your local branch to request account closure. You may be required to provide identification and complete the closure form either in person or over the phone. After submitting your request, confirm that your account is fully closed and check for any final statements or fees. Remember to update any automatic payments or direct deposits linked to your account before closing. And that's it. Now you know how to close a fifth third bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.